The Egyptian pyramids are renowned architectural marvels. These structures reflect ancient engineering brilliance. The most famous pyramids are located in Giza, near Cairo. They include the Great Pyramid of Khufu. Builders used millions of limestone blocks. Each block weighed several tons. The pyramids served as tombs for pharaohs. They demonstrated Egypt's power and sophistication. Ancient builders developed ingenious methods to construct these monuments. They lacked modern machinery. The alignment of the pyramids with celestial bodies was precise. This reflects deep astronomical knowledge. The construction workforce comprised thousands of skilled laborers. Farmers often worked during the Nile floods. Hieroglyphs and artifacts inside the pyramids reveal insights into ancient Egypt's culture. The pyramids stood the test of time, preserving history and architectural knowledge. Some theories suggest that ramps were used to move stones. Other theories propose alternative methods. Experts debate how pyramids were built. The mystery adds allure to ancient Egyptian architecture. The Sphinx, near the pyramids, adds mystique. Its origin and purpose remain subjects of study. Egyptian pyramids influence modern architecture. Their grandeur inspires architects worldwide. Researchers employ technology to uncover secrets. Scans reveal hidden chambers and structural details. Each pyramid has unique characteristics. Their design evolved over time with experience. Building pyramids was a massive endeavor. It required resources, organization, and dedication. The pyramids are UNESCO World Heritage Sites, symbolizing global cultural significance. Their construction reflects societal hierarchy and religious beliefs of ancient Egypt. The pyramid's orientation aligns with cardinal points. This precision exemplifies skilled craftsmanship. Ancient engineering feats continue to impress modern scientists and historians. The pyramids attract millions of visitors annually. They are pivotal in Egypt's tourism. Natural elements threaten pyramid preservation. Conservation efforts aim to protect these structures. Studies suggest a link between pyramid locations and geological features. The pyramids sparked numerous conspiracy theories and historical speculations. Artifacts found near pyramids offer clues about daily life in ancient Egypt. The burial chambers contain sarcophagi, treasures, and frescoes depicting pharaonic rituals. Many pyramids feature complex internal networks. These include shafts, tunnels, and secret rooms. Egyptian pyramids are iconic symbols of ancient civilization. They captivate imaginations worldwide. Explorations and discoveries continue to unravel pyramid mysteries. Some theorists propose extraterrestrial influence on pyramid construction. The pyramid's massive blocks were transported over long distances, showcasing logistical skills. The legacy of pyramid builders remains influential, embodying an era of exceptional craftsmanship.